The story of the Tudor dynasty begins with its ambitious founder, Henry Tudor, who seized the throne in 1485, marking the end of the War of the Roses. The Tudors' rise to power was unexpected, yet Henry's strategic marriage to Elizabeth of York united the warring houses of Lancaster and York, solidifying his claim and bringing peace to a troubled land. Henry VII's reign was characterized by careful diplomacy and financial prudence. But it was his son, Henry VIII, who brought dramatic changes and a new era of consolidation and conflict. Henry is best remembered for his 6 marriages and his role in the separation of the Church of England from papal authority. Motivated by the necessity of a male heir, Henry's break from Rome initiated the English Reformation, a time of religious upheaval and transformation. The Tudor saga continued with Edward VI, Henry's long-anticipated son. Young and frail, Edward's reign was short and marked by Protestant reforms overseen by his regents. Yet his untimely death at 15 led to a crisis of succession, which was seized by his cousin Lady Jane Grey, but only for a fleeting 9 days. Mary I, Henry's firstborn with Catherine of Aragon, swiftly displaced Jane, ushering in a tumultuous reign known for its attempt to restore Catholicism. Mary's marriage to Philip of Spain was deeply unpopular, and her burning of Protestant heretics earned her the moniker Bloody Mary. Elizabeth I then emerged as a beacon of stability and greatness. Her 45-year reign brought about a golden age of exploration, arts, and the defeat of the Spanish Armada in 1588. The Virgin Queen skillfully managed both Parliament and her public persona, but left no direct heir. The fall of the Tudors came quietly. With Elizabeth's death in 1603, the line ended. Her closest relative, James VI of Scotland, ascended the throne as James I of England, uniting the crowns and marking the dawn of the Stuart era. The Tudors had transformed a fractious realm, but their dramatic rise and fall set the stage for the modern British monarchy.